America is the worst place when it comes to social life. Like, I've been back in the States for about a week now, and I have no idea how people live here.
Ramai orang cakap Amerika dah jadi macam negara dunia ketiga. Dari segi infrastruktur memang still canggih lagi. Tapi dari segi kehidupan sosial, ramai yang cakap Amerika ni dah jadi macam negara dunia ketiga. Macam dalam video yang kita tengok tadi kat awal, Amerika adalah tempat paling teruk dari segi kehidupan sosial. Teruk bukan je dari segi taraf hidup, tapi keselamatan pun teruk sekali.
I've never felt unsafe in New York City. The only time I feel unsafe is when I'm in areas like this. There's no one. There's no one. There's no one. Like when I see no one, I'm like, something's wrong. But I'm booking it because this is the only time I ever feel unsafe in the city.
There was another mass shooting in the US this morning. That makes 174 mass shootings when there's only been 119 days so far this year. Apparently, a guy got angry because he was asked to keep his shooting practice quiet so a baby could sleep, and instead of doing that, he opened fire on them instead, killing 5 people, including a child, and now he's missing. What the fuck, America? When are we gonna start protecting our kids and not the guns?
Biasanya negara maju mesti ada tahap keselamatan yang bagus. Tapi Amerika ni lain cerita, lain dari yang lain. Ada satu fakta menarik yang kita kena tahu. Selama ni, dorang memang jarang kenal negara-negara lain kat luar Amerika, especially kat Asia Tenggara. Dalam kepala dorang, negara Asia Tenggara macam Malaysia ni adalah negara dunia ketiga. Negara yang menakutkan dan tahap keselamatan pun teruk. Sebab dari dulu lagi media selalu frame macam tu. Tapi sekarang keadaan dah terbalik. Ramai orang Amerika yang datang ke Malaysia jumpa realiti yang langsung lain dari apa yang dorang bayangkan selama ni. Rupanya Malaysia menawarkan rasa selamat, selesa dan ketenangan sosial yang luar biasa.
I just have to share this. It's a regular day in my life. I've been ordering my iced coffee. I've been at the post office. I've been in contact with my kids' climbing place. And the level of service and kindness that I keep on getting here in Malaysia is extraordinary. It's out of this world. The world should look at Malaysia and be like, okay, that's one way of doing it. And it's probably the best way because here, people are not meeting you with that harsh, stressed, running for my life kind of feeling. It's a calmness. It's just relaxed. It's like, hi, what can I do for you? How can we solve whatever problem or not problem? I don't know. It's just, I love it. Thank you, Malaysia, for putting this example out in the world.
Hi, I'm an American currently staying in Malaysia, and I wanted to talk to you about what I think about the weather here. So today we came out and we took a walk to the beach, and it is gorgeous. We love the views, and we're loving the weather. For context, today it is about 32 degrees Celsius here, or just under 90 degrees Fahrenheit. Where we come from in the United States in the South, it very often exceeds 90 degrees Fahrenheit. It even quite often exceeds 100 degrees Fahrenheit, which is something that's not common here from what we've learned and what we've seen online and from what we've talked to people. The weather that we're seeing right now is pretty much how it is all the time, and this is amazing. I have zero complaints. Everyone expected us to be so hot and think it was so humid, but I guess we're just so used to that in Oklahoma that this feels like a vacation. It's great.
If I had to leave the US and live off of just $30,000 a year, whether it's a pension or dividends or whatever, here's where I would go. Number one, I would go to Malaysia. Malaysia is the perfect combination of somewhat of a Western lifestyle, good healthcare, affordable, peaceful, and there's a lot of places in the area to travel to.
Cuaca yang tenang, kos hidup yang lebih murah dan tahap keselamatan yang lebih tinggi buat ramai orang Amerika rasa macam duduk kat syurga je. Diorang macam jumpa kebebasan baru. Tak ada jenayah bersenjata kat Malaysia. Jauh berbeza dengan Amerika yang almost every week mesti ada tembak-tembak. Belum lagi pasal makanan, boleh bertahun-tahun diorang tak nak balik sebab makanan Malaysia memang terlalu sedap. Sampai ada orang Amerika yang datang ke Malaysia terus jealous dan cakap, saya sangat jealous dengan Malaysia. Selama ni saya selalu dengar Malaysia tu negara yang teruk. Rupanya kehidupan kat sini jauh lagi bagus dari Amerika. Rasa macam Amerika lah sebenarnya negara dunia ketiga yang sebenar.